Good morning, children. Welcome back to your biology class. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe at home. What we discussed in our previous class? Yes, we discussed about circulatory system. Our circulatory system consists of blood, blood vessels and a pumping organ. We know that blood flows in blood vessels, so it needs a pumping organ. All of you place your hand on the left side of your chest. Yes, something is beating there, right? Yes, it's heartbeat. Heart acts as a pumping organ. By rhythmic beating, heart pumps the blood and maintains the circulation of the blood. So today, let us discuss about our pumping organ, heart. Children, can you imagine a pump working for years without stopping? Absolutely impossible. Yet our heart works like a pump non-stop. The heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump for the transport of blood, which carries other substances with it. The walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. These muscles contract and relax rhythmically. This rhythmic contraction, followed by its relaxation, constitute a heartbeat. Human heart is four-chambered. It means it has four chambers, two upper chambers and two lower chambers. The two upper chambers are called the atria, and the two lower chambers are called the ventricles. Here in this diagram, the left side of the heart is represented in red color and the right side of the heart is represented in blue color. The red color denotes oxygenated blood and the blue color denotes deoxygenated, that means the carbon dioxide rich blood. So, the left side of the heart receives only oxygenated blood and right side of the heart receives carbon dioxide rich blood. And in this structure, you can see a partition completely separating the two halves of the heart. This partition helps to avoid the mixing up of blood rich in oxygen with the blood rich in carbon dioxide. The doctor feels your heartbeats with the help of an instrument called a stethoscope. Doctor uses the stethoscope as a device to amplify the sound of the heart. And it consists of a chest piece that carries a sensitive diaphragm, two earpieces, and a tube joining the parts. Doctors get clues about the condition of your heart by listening through a stethoscope. In our previous class, we discussed about the pulse rate. Do you remember what is meant by that? Each heartbeat generates one pulse in the arteries, and the pulse rate per minute indicates the rate of heartbeat. Children, please draw the diagram of human heart on your notebook. I attached YouTube URL to watch the animation of this topic. I also attached notes of this lesson and test questions. Download the notes and learn. Attend the test questions. Thank you for listening me, children. See you in another class with another topic. I wish you an advance Merry Christmas to all of you. Bye, children.